This 2014 Ford F150 is brought to you by RLB Sales and Leasing. 2014 Ford F150 Crew Cab FX4 4x4. This F150 is in above-average condition inside and out for the year and mileage, and has been adult-owned, driven, and garage-kept. In addition, we have all the original owner and AMP number 39S manuals and 2 keys with 2 remotes. Features include 20 and QUOT, XD Series alloy wheels with Nitto-Terra Grappler 275/65 SAR 20 tires, power moonroof, navigation system, leather interior, Pro-Comp lift kit, AM, FM, CD player with premium Sony audio system, ventilated and heated front seats, running boards, and much more. This is a fantastic F150 with numerous features. Assure to please, this vehicle is in above-average condition inside and out for the year and mileage. The exterior is in above-average condition for the year and mileage. The alloy wheels are in superb condition with no abrasions. The interior of this vehicle is in above-average condition for the year and mileage. This F150 was owned by a non-smoker. It drives and looks fantastic. Visit us at rlbsalesandleasing.com.